Hi guys, this is Jody cooking. Welcome back to my channel. Guys, today I'm gonna make you some lemon honey fried chicken legs. So that's my chicken legs there. As you can see, I wash it so it's clean. These are all my seasoning. You have all-purpose seasoning, 1 spoonful. You have everyday seasoning, 1 spoonful. You have chicken seasoning, 1 spoonful. You have paprika, 1 spoonful. You have black pepper, 1 teaspoonful. So first thing I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna pour my seasoning on my chicken. Just take my hands and just massage it. Just make sure everything is all seasoning, because that's very important. This is gonna be so good. You guys is gonna love this recipe. So my chicken has seasoning now. So next step. So in this bowl that I have, I add 2 eggs. So what I'm doing, I'm just beating up my eggs. And I also have 1 cup of plain flour in this container. And to the flour, I'm gonna add all-purpose seasoning, a bit of salt, and black pepper. Not a lot. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna transfer my chicken to my eggs. Like so. And I'm just gonna do this process back and forth. This is so messy, guys. So messy. But it's so worth it. Because the chicken is going to be so nice, so crunchy, and so delicious. So this is my last chicken. So this is what my chicken drumstick look after I finish coat it. So now I'm gonna fry it now. So in this pot, guys, I have some vegetable oil. This is the amount that I have. My oil is hot. So now I'm gonna transfer my chicken leg to my oil. And I'm gonna allow it to fry for at least 5 minutes on each side. I'm just gonna put 4 in there for now. So now I'm gonna turn my fried chicken. So now I'm gonna move my fried chicken. Nice and golden. So now I'm gonna add these one now. Just make sure your oil is heat up. So now I'm gonna remove these ones. So now I'm gonna make my sauce for my fried chicken. So you're gonna need 1 lemon juice, and some honey. Give it a stir. And I'm also gonna put some black pepper. So on the stove, guys, I have a pot on the stove and it's hot. So now I'm gonna add my lemon and my honey to the pot, just for it to heat up for at least 2 minutes. So it's finished now. So now I'm gonna remove it. So this is what my fried chicken looks on the plate. So now I'm gonna take my honey and lemon sauce and just pour it all over it. I hope you guys do enjoy this video. Please like, subscribe for many other videos. I thank you all so much for watching. Until next time, bye. Look at that, guys.